Short little track to Stitt Falls. What a mission to try and get down. Big drop. Alright, this is a short little track to Stitt Falls in the town of Rosebery in the western side of Tasmania. Well, nearly the middle, but you know. So a short walk, a few hundred metres. It's on this river here. It's raging, and you can see there, it drops straight off. So apparently it's hard to get to the base without a bit of a swim job. I guess we're gonna have to pre-shot it from the side here. And yeah, last hike for the day is make 8 waterfall for the day, so that's a win. Tomorrow we're going to do Montezuma. Yeah, look how high we are. Holy crap, what a mission. What a mission to try and get down. The platform should be like very different because you can barely see it. What the hell? There's a trib dropping in there. That's crazy. Unless that's the main creek. No, I reckon it's a trib. There was a whole 5-second walk under this full train line. Big drop. Can't really even get on top because it's so hectic. Nah, I think that's fucking crazy. You could kind of negotiate down that. Kind of. Should we dare? I don't know how, I can't see the rollover point. At least all the water's going that way so you can get on a dry bit of rock there. Let's see if we can do it. Alright, give it a crack. I won't get down the bottom, I don't think, but at least here I got a chance to get on top and look at that level. So there's some very loose rocks here, some old fence posts that, I don't know, go up there or what. Watch down. Yeah, we're down, baby. Woo! Good stuff, check this out. Yeah, boy, up into here. Now that is worth something to look at. Palm thing, eh? You want to be dirty, but reminds me of I can't think of the name now. There's a river in the back of Cock. Well, it's a creek, and yeah, definitely more of a river. So this is the river. This is the river. So apparently the advice is you can get down, like the better side is to go from this side apparently, and you can find your way down and then come back up the stream and wade it, but that's the mission I'm not doing now. This is still cool. I might get the drone actually, it's not windy here so I've actually got a chance to use it. That's good. Get some shot from down there. Look at this. The sun's about to set. Just got enough time to pull this off. Oh, hang on, you can almost climb down this. Almost. What? I might have a shot of doing this. Maybe. Oh, that's crazy. We can talk about that. Interesting. If that's not too hectic, it's a little bit of water on it. I can't see. This rock, maybe I'm going better barefoot, eh? I don't know if I want to. Chances. That's really potentially, but the thing is, even if I get down, I still can't guarantee a good shot because you've got to really get in the creek, into the river, because it's just, there's too much trees there. I'm gonna have to go so far back. Maybe it'll work. Yeah, I don't know. I'll look at that in a second. Wow, I've come down here, guys, and like this is more than I actually believed I could actually achieve. I can't even believe I'm here at this point. There's the viewing platform. We got like the smallest little problem here, and I don't know if I can do it. It doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look good either. So like, there's all boulders there. If I jump off it, it might twist my foot. I don't want to risk it. So if it gets stuck in there, I'm not getting up. There's kind of a hole to step there on a rock. I can kind of maybe do it. It's the only really option. That's providing there's other rocks that roll that are just stacked up. If someone's done it this way, I'm sure. There's rocks that have been put there, I reckon. I just don't know how stable everything is. If I get in here, and I can't, I may not be able to get up because it doesn't look like it's hard. It doesn't look like it's hard, but it kind of is. Because if I'm standing there, I don't know how much I can pull myself up. I'm just worried if I had just a little more rocks piled up there or something, I don't know. I can't really get off the face of this either. It's just slightly too high to jump off. And I was thinking that when I was up there, I was like, I just can't see the last little bit properly. There's a high chance someone's done it. It's just because it's really about to be sunset and I'm stressing about time, and this doesn't help the nerves right now. I just don't know if I want to try and do it. If there was another way, like I'm trying to do the wall, but I can't really see. It's so frustrating. I'm so close. So damn close. Yeah, alright, we'll see what I can do. Very disappointing, but I think I'm going to have to ban it because I'm worried I can't get back up this afterwards. Even if I get down it by miracle, those rocks don't roll, that's all great. But returning, I can stack the rocks up more safely. I mean, maybe I can stack a fuckload of rocks. Maybe that's an option. They're pretty big down there to move. I'm just trying to, like, standing there, I don't know if I can pull myself up here. There's not a lot of rock to grab to pull myself up. I'm just worried this, I won't be able to get my knee up high enough. You kind of use that wall there, but again, it's super smooth. I don't know. I'm only guessing someone's done it this way. It just looks like it. I don't really see any other easy option. God damn it. Unless you follow that wall far enough and you can get down. I don't know. I don't know how long that's going to take and how long the wall goes. Over there just looks like jungle. I don't know how you even get over there. From the train line, you can't even see how high the bank is and up. Because you see the cliff faces there, and then it sort of peters out, but you can't even see it on top line of where it is. I don't know, people. Maybe I should go get the drone, just play with that. Leave it for now, whatever. Still pretty cool to be here, but see this wall, you can't see this corner at all properly. Surprisingly, you can't really make that out from there either. Alright, let's go back up here. It's like a little mini Tipperary climb this part. Alright, I'm back up. Coming up was a piece of breeze actually. You definitely cannot see what's down there from this point, so that's why you can't scope the way. And I was wrong, it is the southwestern side people come down. So it is somewhere down there. I don't know if you have to climb up this and go through the scrub and then there's a way. I don't know. Frustrating. And the sun's probably setting right now. Let's see what time is. Sets in 7 minutes. Oh well, hope you enjoyed this journey nonetheless. Disappointing to be so close, but you got to take your safety into account, people. It's not worth dying for it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit notification bells, get notified of all the new misadventures. Catch you guys in the next one, eh? Peace out.